y'all look, y'all. Hey y'all, so as I said from the title, I'm gonna get straight to the video. But today is basically I'm gonna be installing a synthetic wig. So it's like how to slay a synthetic wig. I seen this wig in our local hair store on the mannequin head, and it was so pretty. And I posted on my Vlogmas day 17. So yeah. But this is lace front from Outre. And this is style Marcia, and I got color chocolate swirl. So we're gonna unbox this synthetic wig. Okay, so far I just you know, come like this. So we're gonna take this net off. Take the net off, of course. Take this out, and y'all can already see the baby hairs. That is a good thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and undo this. Well, take the tag off basically. Get it out. Then chocolate swirl. Chocolate swirl. It looked like this, but on the mannequin head it was a side part, so I think I'm gonna be giving a side part today. I don't know, but this is the wig. So I'm gonna fluff it out probably once I get on my video. It's cute. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and tighten it back. Yeah, and the band is good. That's weird. I'm just gonna put it right here then. Okay, yeah. Put this one a little bit tighter. So it's on the back of my head. I don't have to screw it. Yeah, I used to put them together. I used to put the clips together. Plus, when you put the band, the clips together, it's on your hair, and I feel like it's really better. But yeah, this is, they gave me a cap, but I'm still using the same cap from before. As y'all can see, it's messed up, but it'll do, because this wig ain't gonna be, you know, on my head for a long time. But this is the parting space, which is cute. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray it with my lace tint, my golden lace tint, to match me a little bit more. Yeah, I hope this don't spray crazy because I never used it before. I just knew. It's like, you know how you just know something good. Yeah. But yeah, look at my cap. I look very much bald. But yeah, this look chocolate. Oh no, it don't. No, I don't know if I like it. Let me see about beige. See, I kind of like beige. I'm gonna use beige. That's strong. I'm probably gonna define it even more with a little concealer. But yeah, so let's get started. It's gonna be real simple too, y'all. Y'all already know that my cap is on, so what I'm gonna do is put it back some. I'm gonna just put it back. But the curls, I like the curls because it don't give me fake hair. Like, it probably do right now, but it gave me that kinky look when I was in the hair school. Okay. Right now, this is not giving. We're gonna keep going because, yeah. But I ain't gonna talk the whole time because I can't talk. Yeah, I probably gonna start. Realizing that. Yeah, I ripped the lace. I ripped the lace, but did the hair come out with it? Yeah. So, be careful. I'm gonna comb at the top. Well, it's okay because ain't no point for me having baby hairs over down there anyway. But this is how the hair looking so far. Yeah, I didn't even glue nothing down. It's cute. It's giving. It's giving cute, right? I'm gonna bring it down a little more because I want more type of side part, I guess. Okay. So far, so good. So what I need to do is get some clips. So hold up. So what I'm actually gonna do is just use these little bands. I mean these little bands. The hair is so soft though. I think it's well worth it. I paid $40. The wig was $45.99 or $44.99, something like that. So it's definitely worth it. It's a quick cheap deal. The baby hair, right there.
I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in and plug this part.
But I would never lie to you. Stepping spray on my dime, looking all kinds of new. So you know what I like, what would you like to do? Tell me, I'm telling you. I know I've been away. Just trying to get my picture straight, girl.
I'll put this band on it. But I love how the spray out and it smells good. Now I'm gonna let these two go and see how I can fluff it out and make it cute, make it neat. I love it. I would have to put a little foam right there though. But I'm about to go ahead and define the part. Taking some of my LA Girl concealer.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do.
use a blow dry to speed up the process. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is just get the baby hair. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace with his knees. Anyway, I'm gonna cut the lace with a razor so it can be like raggedy edges. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna cut the lace with this. But since it's not gonna show, I'm just gonna cut this out with these scissors. You know, I don't know what kind of scissors these are. Well, I'm still gonna add probably a couple baby hair just in case the wind blow. Okay, my camera would be. So, we're gonna take this. And I'm just gonna use some edge cut. This is. I'm gonna cut this. Now I'm gonna shade it.
Capping like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut dope like Pablo, chop trees with the Draco.
I don't know about y'all.
Got Diego, say hasta luego, movie and rapping kilo, snub nose with potato. No monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a soda, busting up when we're trying to weave an anaconda.
Yeah, I really do like this hoe. It's called Instant Hoe, and I can definitely tell it's Instant Hoe. Like as soon as a little bit of air hit it. I ain't gonna take air
Trapping like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut dope like Pablo.
Yeah, baby.
Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego, movie and rapping kilo, snub nose with potato. Cold gang with the cocaine, the more money make more rain. Bang wine back in propane, point blank range give a nigga nose ring. Skip to my Lou with the pack and the cat, Jiffy, Lou with the bricks where they at, dripping, ooze the paddock all wet. Birds in the truck, they ain't leaving at the nest. Get pie base set like milk. Yup, running with the pack, got slipped. Hands in the cookie jar, cut his finger off. Nigga, his tummy out. Run the bricks on the road, take a couple routes. Flush mama house, her man's a Philly couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock him out, but then I throw him off the boat paddle. One up with the kilo, one saddle. Sack him, little liquor, copper, pterodactyl. Pap him, chop him, bite down like an apple. Match it with the acres, with the horses in the cabin. Like the narco, got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. Movie and rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato.
Okay, y'all. So this is the finished look. How look, y'all?
I would like to get to know.
But yeah, I really love the hair because it definitely feels like once I put a foam on this kind of synthetic, it will get curled back up. But it is very affordable, a very quick, pretty, gorgeous look. But y'all, yeah, this is so cute, y'all. I love it. I really do love it. And it was only $46 basically. Yeah. Cute. And yeah, I'm kind of hot, so I'm sweating. Yeah. But this is definitely a top, and I will find a link to it. But anyway, y'all, thanks for watching this. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications, so hit that bell to be updated every time I post a video. So hit that bell, y'all. Hit it and watch my videos. And don't forget to follow me on TikTok, follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram at Mayoki, follow me on Twitter at Mayoki with 2 eyes, then follow me, add me on Snapchat at sweetie_12, y'all. I'm out of breath, and I'm trying to do a quick little outro. But y'all, thanks for watching. I love this, y'all. Just imagine me with some hoops on my makeup. So if y'all want to see like me dressed up with this hair, please go on my Instagram, because I will be posting a picture, or either a picture I already posted. But I love it. I think I'm really cute. Anyway, thanks for watching, y'all. Peace. And